everyone, this is Mark, and this video is a little bit different because I'm going to be showing you how to solve a problem that somebody presented to me. Let me jump on the computer really quick here and show you what we're trying to do. A friend on Facebook showed me this site and was wondering how he could do these menu items with just icons without spending money on some additional plugins. Now he's using Elementor Pro, and he has WordPress. So he has a page builder set up and he has WordPress. And so he wants to create this these drop-down menus. These secondary links here, those aren't part of what they want. They just want these ability to add icons, images to the menu. So I thought this would be a good challenge, and I just wanted to record a quick video to show how I figured out how to do this. So maybe it'll help some of you out. So the first thing we need to do is create a couple icons. So here I am in Adobe Xd, and I've created a couple icons here. I just grabbed some font awesome icons, but you can create them with the pen tool. You don't have to use this one. So I have one for the heart and one for a person, and I also have a mouse over and a standard. So you need a mouse over image and you need the standard image. These aren't SVGs, they're just going to be transparent PNGs, which is a little bit easier. So let me just save these icons really quick. Okay, so now I've saved the icons as transparent PNG with a standard state and a hover state. So now let's go into WordPress on a test site and set it up. So here we are on WordPress, and as you can see, I only have 3 plugins installed. I have Elementor Pro, Elementor P, and Menu Image. Menu Image is searchable. It's a free plugin, free download, and you just have to download it. So let's go into the menus themselves. And I've already set some of these things up, but I'm going to redo this. So let's start with a brand new menu. Icon menu. Create it. And let's just say I'm linking out to something here. I'm going to do one for heart. I'm going to do one for user. A couple of items I have here. And for heart, underneath here now that I have that plugin set up, I can add a menu image and an image on hover, as well as change some options here. So let's set the image. I'm going to upload these files that I did. Let's grab all of these. So I have all of these. I'm going to grab the heart. That's the one I want. And then I'm going to set an image for hover over right there. And let's set it for 48 by 48. I could do it original size. They're like 120 by 120, but I think 48 by 48 will work for what we're doing. And if I want this text next to it, I can have it there, but I'm going to hide it because this is the top level menu item. So let's do that same thing for the user. And again, 48 by 48 and hide. Now what I also want to do is set up those secondary menus. And then we're going to add images to these as well. So I'm going to set the image, and I'll just set it as the red heart for these. I won't do an image on hover. And same as that. And then let's do it after the image. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring that into a header in Elementor. Go to templates, go to theme builder, going to create a header, add a new header, icon menu header, and I'll just do it from scratch. We'll do 2. Let's say over here is the site title. Over here we're going to bring the menu in, so we'll do a nav menu, and it defaults to the icon menu that I set up here. So I've right aligned these menu items, and as you can see when I mouse over them, they do come up underneath there, although they're not quite as wide as they should be. So we're going to make some adjustments to the style here. I'm looking at this now on this other site, and it has a little more space. It has some borders and lines between them. It does some other things here, but I think for the most part this gets you most of the way there. You can adjust the padding on these menu items. You can move some things around. I noticed this image actually gets bigger. It's because when I saved it, I didn't save it as I saved it just as the image and not the whole container. So, but otherwise it would mouse over correctly. But there you go. You can create some icon menu items as well as set those up in the drop down. Really handy plugin, and it's free, so that's even better. I will be sure and link to the plugin down below in the comments. If you have a question you'd like me to tackle or try and find a solution to here, let me know. I like a challenge, and this was really interesting. So thanks to Simo. Simo is the one who came up with this challenge in one of the Facebook groups I'm in. So thank you Simo, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. So that's it for this video. If you like this format where I just sort of find a solution to a question that I come across, let me know. I might do more of these. There's a couple other questions I've received recently that I'd like to maybe put small videos together just to help answer some questions, because these aren't things that necessarily require a huge tutorial or a lot of information about. You just want to find the solution. So this is sort of like a quick fix solution to a specific problem. Thanks so much for watching. If you found value, be sure to like it using the thumb up icon down below. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for notifications. I will see you guys next time. Until then, stay Akamai.